Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a long time coming. Haven't been really busy over the last year. We sold our last house, as you can see. I'm in a new shed. We sold our last house and moved out to some decent property out in the country. Yeah, it's finally about time I try and get back into the swing of things. I'll just show you what I've got going. So I've got my daughter's old VS. Got a bit of damage here. There's a lot of body work I've got to do to this. So I've got that. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Let's see what I can do. Put my vape away. I've got all these dents along here. A little bit there. Big dent here I've got to pull out. This door's not too. This door's alright. Here we go. Got that there. I've got to pull out, so I'll pull all that out with a stud welder. Got a little bit of damage on the bumper, but it's not too bad. Just your general average rock chips and shit. Scuff there that she clipped another car. Let's see, the bonnet's alright. It's got a tiny little dent, little push in right there. So I might be able to figure that out. So I'm going to be respraying it white. I'll get a new aerial for it. I'm going to be respraying it white, but put a purple pearl over it. Got a little bit more damage here. Another dent there. A couple more up here. There's a few more in this door here. Where did I see it? Where is it? This front door. Yeah, a couple of little small ones just here. Yeah, you can't really see it as good as I can. Oh yeah, there you go. Right there. Yeah, it does have a little bit of work need doing to it. It's got a little dent here. I'll have to pull that back out. See if I can tap it out somehow. Other than that, I've done all the suspension. So all the new lower control arms, springs, shocks, upper arms. So it's going to be lower than what it was. Lower control arm here, shock and springs, new Z bars and bushes. Got all new sway bar bushes and link pin bushes. Alright, so what I'll do, grab a marker and I'll start circling all those dents. Just quickly show you the property a little bit. So I've been really busy. I'm actually starting up my own business. Been up and operating since January. It's fully kitted up, ready to all good to go. So I'm now operating full time, so I no longer have to work at my previous job. So it's up on 20,000 square meters, 5 acres. Alright, we'll get into it. Alright, got this back on in a minute. Okay, so I've just gone around and marked all the little dents and stuff on the car. I no longer have that little 80 litre anymore. This is a new compressor, big 150 litre Chicago air. It's not very loud at all. I've just gone around and marked all the dents. There. This door's not too bad. Minus all the little rippling down here. Hang on, I'll zoom out a bit. Yeah, you got a little rippling down there. A little dent here, another dent there. Just a couple here and there. It's not too bad. That's the only two on the fender. Plus that. There. That, I don't know, I'll chuck some plastic filler in there. Got a push down here. That fender's okay. Besides that, I'm going to pull that out a little bit. Try and get that to line up a little bit better. A little dent there. That is all caved in. So majority of this damage was actually on the car when we got it. Bought it for $2.5 grand. Runs alright, it's got a little bit of an oil leak, but other than that, I've actually just spotted a few more dents up in here. Just up here. There's a couple more up there. But yeah, that one there, she accidentally went over a little island at the shop. A few more. This door here is probably the worst of them all. That there's just ripples all the way through that. Got that damage. Boot's okay, it's got one little dent up here, just there. It's dented here because I think that might be because that's where the spoiler's bolted down. A couple of little dents there, and a big push in here. Alright, so I'll start grinding some of this back so I can get them pulled back out again. That's not gonna. These two aren't gonna need a lot. I will pull them out. Pull out the stud welder. I'll grind it back a little bit and go from there. Alright, I'll just chuck this all on time lapse. Actually, I've got this here. This here is for little I forget what they're called now. These things. So I've got this here. It costs about $300 from Sydney Tools. That's why I turn the compressor on. I'll just go grab the other little bits out my truck. I'll show you the inside of the truck as well. So this is the inside of my beast, fully set up. So I've got all the sockets that I need. Everything. Spare log nut keys and stuff for if people have lost theirs. All the wiring, batteries. It's all Milwaukee. Clean that lens up. It's got a bit of water on it. All stuff for puncture repairs. That's all the stuff for my balancing. I've got the balancer, another 150 litre compressor. That thing is a beast. It's loud as hell though. Where the hell did I put my keys? Oh, there. I do keep this in the truck just in case I have to do anything or whatever, I don't know. So that's some little bits. Yeah, I keep it all in the truck because it does come in handy when it comes to like these rims here, because they're chrome. They pit into beads, and they always leak all the bloody time. But that thing is a beast and gets this shit off, gets all that chrome off, so you'll never have to worry about bloody bead leaks again. I've got all my little discs and stuff, extras. All right, let's get it started. Okay, I'll just wipe it all down and then use my stud welder to pull some of the dents, put some spot welds on it. That one there is actually a lot worse than I thought. Let's see what I can get done with that. what I got going so far. So we'll just ground all that back. That one there is more of a push out than a dent, so I might just be able to get away with a little tap on that. That's what I'm running with so far. Alright, plug these back in. That one's going to take a couple of them. I'll chuck his back on time lapse.